Now we will study the key points of the Krebs cycle, which are important for MCQs point of view. Let me start. The alternative terms for Krebs cycle. Number one, Krebs cycle is based on the name of Hans Krebs, who discovered it. Next, number two, this is also known as tricarboxylic acid cycle or TCA cycle, and the third name is citric acid cycle. ये alternative names याद रखेंगे. इसके बाद आगे मूव करते हैं टुवर्ड द की पॉइंट्स. की पॉइंट्स में देखेंगे साइट ऑफ एक्शन क्या है. दिस प्रोसेस occurs in the mitochondrial matrix, which is the fluid portion of mitochondria, and next this process occurs during aerobic respiration only. Okay. Next, एनर्जी बैलेंस. वन, इससे पहले कि हम एनर्जी बैलेंस करें कुछ बातें समझें कि 1 NADH plus H plus of Krebs cycle is equal to 3 ATP, while 1 FADH2 of Krebs cycle is equal to 2 ATP. इसके मुताबिक फिर आगे कैलकुलेशन करेंगे. जब NADH plus H plus produced is equal to 6, and as we have discussed 1 NADH plus H plus of Krebs cycle is equal to 3 ATP, so 6 molecules will be equal to 18 ATP. Next, FADH2 produce 2 molecules and 1 molecule is equal to 2 ATP, so 2 molecules of FADH2 will be equal to 4 ATP. And next, during one step, ATP molecules are also directly produced, and these are 2. The sum will be 18 plus 4 plus 2, 24. So total 24 ATP molecules are produced during the process of Krebs cycle.